Start by making sure that you're logged into your own Canva account. And then on the far left side, you're going to see that you're in your class. It's part of your teams. So if you happen to be in more than one team, you just want to make sure that yours is the one that you're on when you invite kids to be a part of it. Then you're going to go down to invite people. And I like to do this via the share link because then you can just put that right onto your Google Classroom. But there are some different ways that you could add students as well. And this means that students that are in your class can use this link to log in through their Google Classroom or through Google accounts that are associated with their Google Classroom. And then they'll be able to access Canva, and then they can make their own presentations, or they can make their own worksheet, or whatever it is that you want. You also can make assignments in Canva. So you're going to go over to classwork, and then if you want to make an assignment, you can create a design and then have that work as an assignment, similar to how you could do that in Google Classroom.